morning call. The mantra that we use to tune in is Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Bring your hands together at your heart, thumbs connected in towards your sternum to remind the sternum to lift up. Breathe in for the first of 3. As you inhale, bring your arms up overhead, and as you exhale, stretch them back behind you. This practice feels to me like a call to start, like rousing the troops. I love the extension of the tones. It's the same mantra as the Laya Yoga Kriya, but instead of quick, it's long and drawn out. And it's sometimes called long chant or morning call. It's traditionally done in Kundalini Yoga first thing in the morning, so it does have that sense of calling in the energies for the day. Play with keeping the one long tone. Yogi Bhajan speaks about this mantra. This mantra is known as the Ashtang mantra for the Aquarian age. All mantras are good and are for the awakening of the divine, but this mantra is effective and is the mantra for this time. It has 8 levers and can open the lock of the time, which is also the vibration of 8. Therefore, when this mantra is sung with the neck lock at the point where prana and apana meet in Sushumna, this vibration opens the lock, and thus one becomes one with the divine. This mantra initiates the Kundalini, initiating the relationship between the soul and the universal soul. It balances all of the chakras. Though it is part of morning sadhana, it can be chanted at any time. So with this mantra, the hands are in Gyan Mudra. Palms can be up or down, depending on what you're feeling. So to do this, it's done on a 2.5 breath cycle. The first breath, you inhale deeply, and then the ek is quite sharp. Ek. The onkar are drawn out and are even in length, and as much as possible, the same tone. And then you inhale again deeply, and the sat is also sharp, just like the ek was. Sat. And then the nam is drawn out as long, or almost as long, as the onkar were in the first part. At the very end, just before you run out of breath, there's a sri. Sri. And then you take another half breath in, and the wa is also sharp, and then hey guru are drawn out, but not nearly as long as the first 2 parts. Hey guru. Once you get a sense of it, it can be done for as little as 3 minutes or as long as 11 minutes or even longer. Because it's so drawn out, I particularly like doing 8 repetitions, 1 for each chakra plus the aura. And depending on the length of your breath, that will take about 7 minutes. Your eyes are closed, looking towards the 3rd eye point. Breathe in. Rek. Om. Sat Nam Sri Wahenguru. Ek Om 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 Sat Sri Wa Henguru Ek Om Ha Sat Sri Wa Henguru. One more. Ek Om Sat Sri Wa Henguru. As you finish this one, keep your gaze inside and tune your ears to sound. Let yourself be still and tall, and notice any sounds you hear outside of the space that you're in. Let your arms come out and up overhead. Gather up what you'd like to take with you. And draw your hands down along your midline. Namaste.